Hello everyone, I'm Cameron with First Column IT, handling technology so your business can thrive. In this video, we'll be going over PII Protect, as well as what it is, how to access your training portal, and how to use it. If you're watching this video, it's either because your organization is onboarding with PII Protect, or because they utilize PII Protect already and require you to become familiar with it. With that said, let's get to it. In today's tech-driven world, cybercriminals try various social engineering methods to trick people into clicking malicious links or having them provide personal or even sensitive information. PII Protect is a cybersecurity awareness training platform to help equip you with the knowledge needed to better protect yourself and your organization from these threat actors. Everyone in your organization will be required to go through a mandatory annual training program to bring awareness to different aspects of cybersecurity. All of this can be accessed on demand through your PII Protect portal dashboard. So in order to access your training, let's go over how to get you started. To access your training portal, you should receive an invitation through your email. It should have the sender address listed as no-reply@pii-protect.com. This email will direct you to log in using the URL listed in the message to set up your account. If you don't happen to see this email, please reach out to your organization's point of contact. Once you click the URL in the email, it will take you to a page to enter your email address. Click Next to authorize yourself through your organizational account through Microsoft 365. Once you do so, it will then take you to your training dashboard. Be sure to bookmark this page so you can easily access it in the future. Once you're in the dashboard, you can access your assigned training by clicking on the Training tab. In here, you can access your cybersecurity training course. Watch the videos in the course, then test your knowledge in the final quiz. This should take you about 30 to 60 minutes to complete. Once you've passed the course, it will provide you with a certificate for the course completion. If your organization has this enabled, after you've completed the mandatory training, you can also take advantage of the recommended micro-trainings. Every week, new micro-trainings are released to help enhance your cybersecurity awareness. You can either review these in your inbox as they come in, or click on the micro-training tab in your portal. These generally take around 10 minutes to complete. Don't worry, if you forget to do it one week, you can always go back in here and review any of the micro-trainings you've missed. You can also gamify your training by making a unique screen name and competing against your colleagues to determine who's the top hero through the leaderboard. The better you do in your quizzes, the higher score you'll get. In case you've been wondering, PII stands for Personally Identifiable Information. This can be anything that identifies you as an individual or entity, such as a name, email address, phone number, even social security number. It's been reported that 65% of crimes against businesses weren't caused by hackers gaining unauthorized access to business networks or computer systems, but rather by users simply falling for an email phishing scam. This is why training is so critical for yourself and for your organization. As irritating as it may be to take time for it, giving out this kind of information, even if it is on accident, can cause major issues for you or your organization. So as long as you know what to look out for, even if you don't believe you can be the difference, you can be the one to foil the bad guys from their malicious plans. Hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through support@firstcolumn.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.